Hola amigos and Savatika from Phuket, Thailand. For those people who love aviation, plane spotting is one activity that gives them a lot of pleasure. And one of the best places to do that is here in Mai Khao Beach in Phuket, Thailand. So we are here, and just to let you know, the beach charges you 200 baht as an entry fee for this beach. And let me remind you, the beach is neat, clean, litter free. And one more thing is that do bring your own food because there are no food stalls over here. So bring your own food, consume it, and don't litter the food. So after the beach to do some epic plane spotting sessions from one of the Instagrammable couple beaches of Thailand. இங்கே வந்து இண்டிகோவா டே around. First ever time seeing a go around in my life. And who do we have here? One sharp. Okay, a jet star which went go around is coming now. Will it land this time? And enjoying the flights coming. Ha, Sorgamada. Singapore Airlines Boeing 737. Oh my god. CIF. Saudi will be on this very soon to Saudi Arabia. CAT, SCAT, new airline, Chinese, Taiwanese. Ready? ch.com. Private jet. Asia. Oh, TUI departing, and all the heavy is parked here. Finnair, 11, Saudi, Mahanar, Emirates. TUI departing, and at the beach we have an aircraft coming. TUI. There's an A320. Qatar Airways Boeing 777-300ER. Oh, yeah. Jet blasted. Wanna get jet blasted by the takeoff. A good way to end today is to get jet blasted by this Qatar Airways 777 taking off. Right in front of the engines. Full thrust, go! The last landing for the day from Phuket. So that's it from this video. Had a very good time over here, and one of the bucket list is ticked to do a plane spotting from this Mai Khao Beach in Phuket, Thailand. Hopefully we'll be going to the OG of beach plane spotting location, Saint Martin. Hopefully in 2026 or 2027. Let's see when that happens. Well, please do share your memories if you have been to this place, and do share if you have noticed anything on the aircrafts arriving or departing today. And do shoot your questions in the comments if you have any, and we'll try to answer them if I know that. And we'll be back with another video soon. Until then, stay safe. Cheers. Bye bye. Kapunka.